Good afternoon, America. This is Jacob.Boyd with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to talk to you today about this true four-season trailer. It is an Arctic Fox. It's a 2021 Arctic Fox 25R. Great accommodations inside. I want to talk to you a little bit about the exterior before we head inside. And really, first off, you're about 6,707 pounds dry. And then you have about a 10,700 pound fully loaded GVWR. You do need a big rig for this, and there's a couple of reasons for that. Great materials, thick walls, an off-roading chassis. Now, Northwood makes their own chassis. They're out of La Grande, Oregon. They're a little bit of cambered chassis too. You put weight on them, and they go more true and a little bit more center. Instead of a flat chassis, you put weight on it, it'll bow out on you. So you square up really, really well with this. A nice wrap cap off the front, pebble plate off, kind of rhino coating for the front as well. You have two 7-gallon tanks, propane tanks off the front. A lot of long life on that. Those as well. Great LED lights in the front to really shine for hitching up or even in camp. This kind of was a really good demonstration of the 2-inch thick walls on these things too. So great insulation, burly materials, magnetic latch right there for your hinges, as well as slam latches for your doors. Makes it super simple and just walk away. You have push button stabilizer jacks, as well as great solid steps as well. That carriage up in the door, zero bounce. Those legs off those steps, they can adjust one way or the other, even if you're on uneven ground. Great large black awning there as well. Push button awning with a great strip of LEDs to really brighten it up. There is a spot to hardwire a generator inside the trailer itself, which is really a particularity to Arctic Fox trailers too. And on the slide out side, great double rack and pinion, which is the best kind of technology you're looking for your slide out. That's inset into the wall itself, and a slide out topper. Some really great features that really set this guy apart. Well, let's head inside and have a look at see what interior comforts can hold. Right when you walk inside, you can really feel and even smell the difference. All real wood for the construction of the cabinetry. You can really bomb-proof cabinetry here too. And if you see a knot hole, it is not printed on there. That comes right out of the piece of wood. They do some really great bolstering of their cabinets into the walls, aluminum stays that are machined out behind it, so you're not just drilling into the substrate of the wall to hang the cabinets. You can really just tug and hang on those cabinets with a ton of weight. Solid construction there. A nice cathedral roofing there, so you're using 3/8-inch tongue and groove marine grade plywood for your roof, 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood for the floor. Awesome construction all the way around. You really feel it right when you enter the trailer. You have the windows all the way around your dinette, as on either side of the bed, right above the bed for your vent, and plus the skylight. Skylights always are bringing a ton of extra light and making the spaces feel airy and open and really fresh whenever you get inside them. Solid surface countertops, double basin, stainless steel sink, full equipment for your kitchen as well. So you have your big oven, 3-burner stove, Furrion microwave, plus great vent hood. Great space there for pantry. It's right opposite your large 8 cubic foot fridge as well. So big fridge, and that's a 3-way fridge to really accommodate you kind of however you want to make use of that space. Dinette itself, the table will fold down and turn into another sleeping space. A great sleeping space there. Great accommodations all around. The front of the trailer, you've got great cabinetry, that's kind of crowning the head of the trailer, right next to your queen size bed too. Space on one side for really keeping anything at hand without that cabinet coming all the way down. Hanging clothes on one side, folding clothes on the other. You still have drawers that are accessible right below those cabinets as well, those closet cabinets. And you even have some space up top right above your head to keep anything you want to keep handy. Plus reading lights, a kind of push button right above your head there as well. Plugins make it super simple to keep things charged as well. You head into the rear, you have a really great bathroom. It takes up the full width of the entire trailer, so you're not throwing elbows at the walls when you're showering, and a large shower there, as well as when you're changing or drying off afterwards. Great storage space in there for linens, any kind of extra clothing you want to bring along, a real vanity and a stainless steel sink, plus a step flush ceramic toilet too. From tip to tail, it's a great accommodations for two people to go traveling, hosting some extra people along the way, and some modular accommodations to bring some extra folks along with you if you want to travel that way too. If you have any questions about this Arctic Fox 25R or any other trailer we have in inventory, stop on by and say hello or drop me a line at 773-655-7190. And again, my name is Jake. See you soon.